What separates a good leader from a great one? Could it be the ethical decisions they make? Welcome to a world where leadership is not just about power or control, but about making the right choices. Today, we delve into the importance of ethics in leadership. Ethics, those moral principles that govern a person's behavior, are the foundation of credible leadership. Without them, a leader's credibility can quickly crumble. Enter the concept of values-based leadership. It's a leadership philosophy that insists upon aligning one's values with their actions. It was this ethos that guided Howard Schultz, the former CEO of Starbucks. Schultz prioritized ethical sourcing and fair trade, refusing to let his decisions be swayed by anything less than the highest ethical standards. His leadership not only shaped Starbucks into a global giant, but also demonstrated the power of ethical decisions in leadership. As seen in Schultz's leadership, values and ethics can significantly influence a leader's decisions and the company's overall success. Ever wondered how values-based leadership can impact a company's culture and output? Well, let's delve into the principles of this approach to leadership. At its core, values-based leadership is about leading with integrity and authenticity while prioritizing ethical considerations. It's about knowing your values and standing by them, even in the face of challenge or adversity. Such leadership fosters trust within an organization. When employees see leaders walking the talk, it builds confidence and respect. This trust, in turn, enhances employee engagement and productivity. It also promotes a positive culture, one where everyone feels valued, heard, and inspired to do their best. Moreover, values-based leadership can significantly improve business performance. It offers a moral compass, guiding decision-making and establishing a clear ethical direction for the company. It also encourages long-term, sustainable thinking, which can lead to better business outcomes. To illustrate, let's look at the case study of Indra Nooyi, the former CEO of PepsiCo. Nooyi was known for her values-based leadership approach with a focus on sustainability and health. Under her leadership, PepsiCo expanded its portfolio beyond sugary drinks to healthier alternatives and invested heavily in sustainable packaging and water conservation initiatives. Nooyi believed that companies should do more than just make a profit. They should also make a difference. This philosophy was reflected in her Performance with Purpose initiative, which aimed to deliver top-tier financial performance while creating sustainable growth and addressing societal needs. The impact of Nooyi's leadership was clear. PepsiCo's revenues grew by more than 80% during her tenure, and the company's public image improved significantly. Moreover, her leadership fostered a culture of innovation and responsibility within the company, inspiring employees to think beyond the bottom line. Nooyi's tenure at PepsiCo demonstrates how values-based leadership can not only drive a company forward, but also create a lasting, positive impact on society. Values-based leadership is more than a leadership style. It's a philosophy that can transform companies and lives. So, what have we learned about ethics and values-based leadership? We've seen that ethics aren't just a nice-to-have in leadership, they're essential. They guide leaders in making decisions that are not only beneficial for business, but also for society. Values-based leadership, on the other hand, has a profound impact on a company's culture and performance. It sets the tone for how employees behave, driving them to work towards common goals. Remember Howard Schultz? His ethical decisions and values-based approach transformed Starbucks into a globally recognized brand that's not just about coffee, but also about community. And let's not forget Indra Nooyi, whose values-based leadership at PepsiCo led to a shift in focus towards healthier products and sustainability, proving that profitability and social responsibility can go hand in hand. Remember, a great leader isn't defined by the power they hold, but by the ethical decisions they make and the values they uphold. Think about the leaders you admire. Do they practice values-based leadership? Share your thoughts in the comments below.